Hello, and today we are gonna make this special apple baked like cake, I guess. So we're gonna need a few apples, eggs, oil, sugar, flour, some cinnamon, and vanilla. So first and here's the pan that we're gonna use. Better to use a glass dish. Here I've peeled the potatoes, and you want to slice and dice them so tiny, like into tiny pieces, but not into mush, And then put them aside, and here's all the apples. And then in this bowl, we're going to put the eggs and the sugar mixed together. Add the vanilla. Mix. And then add in the flour. And mix again. Add in the oil, leaving some behind to pour so it doesn't stick whenever we're going to place our mixture. So you just want to spread that all around. And here we are with our mixture all mixed up. Now here's our pan all oiled up. Add in the apples and gently mix with a spoon, probably be better. And then pour it in there, and then top it off with some ground cinnamon. That is so delicious. And then we're going to put it to bake on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. And then it will look kind of still raw or something. Just take it out, let it cool completely before slicing. That's going to be the best. So in it goes, just as is, and that's how it looks when it's baked. Yum, yum, yum. And then here it's cooled completely. We are ready to enjoy. It's like this soft of the apples, of cooked apples, is just so good. Thank you to my sister for the recipe. And we are gonna go and enjoy this yum yum yum. Please like and subscribe to get more great videos, and I'll show you how it looks on the inside. So that's what it looks like. It's so good. It's just all those apples, filled with apples. And there you are. Yummy. Thank you so much. See you next